What is the hardest thing and the easiest thing and most challenging thing about being an IT consultant? You need to continue working on your skills. You cannot afford to lay back and be like, I'm good at this, it's okay. The thing is, you have a lot of people that have 8 and 10 years of experience in cybersecurity, IT, whatever. But once you look and you dig more into their CV and their experience, you realize that they've done the same job or task in 1 year, but they repeated it for 5 years, so they have 5 years of experience. This is not how this works. You need to continue doing certifications, you need to continue working on your skills, do labs, do whatever you need to do to keep yourself up to date. Otherwise, you can get obsolete quickly, especially in this kind of like lifestyle right now and how things are moving really quickly. If you stop working on yourself for a year or two, you can see that your skills are a little bit outdated. In my case, it was when like the cloud came out. Most of my experience has been then supporting Fortune 500 clients, and they all have data centers and stuff like this. Then you realize that to work with SMEs, they rely mostly on the cloud. And there are a lot of people that are entering the workforce and they have cloud experience more than I do. Now, of course, I have certain skills that are hard to replicate because I have more than 15 years of experience in cybersecurity, but still, people can get cloud engineers cheaper than me, and they are quote-unquote experts in that. Now, what's happening nowadays is that you have more people that are working in AI, and people working on AI, you can see that they have the skill set that a lot of people are afraid to embrace. You cannot ignore AI anymore. This is what's happening right now. You need to use it as a tool to complement your skills, to complement your experience, and to deliver more value for your company and for your clients. So this is I would say, a vicious cycle. I used to joke with my friends here in Lebanon when we were in university that we don't want to be doctors. We went into engineering because we don't want to study for 7, 8, 9 years with the specialization and everything. But then we realized that we went to Canada to do our Master of Engineering. And a lot of us, including myself, who did an MBA as well. So we studied more, and then we do certifications, CISSP, CISP ISA. I'm preparing now for the CISO examination so that I can offer high-level advisory services to my clients. So you cannot afford to just chill and say, I'm okay for now. I hope it makes sense for you.